Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Harini. As you know, I'm making a series of videos wherein I'll be sharing information about pets. I have one male dog and two female dogs. And I have been a pet parent for about 10 years now. So I will be sharing all the experience that I have in regards to dogs. So this videos will be very helpful for first time pet owners or pet lovers, so consider subscribing to this channel. Before we start the video, I want to give a disclaimer. I'm not any kind of veterinary doctor or a therapist or specialist in that. All I'm going to share in the next tips are my personal experience with my dogs, like with the information that I have taken from my veterinary doctor when my dog got affected with parvovirus and how I could save my dog from the parvovirus. So these tips which I'm going to share are my personal experience that would be like helping your dog a little bit until you get them to the veterinary hospital or veterinary. First and the foremost important thing, the reason pets die because of parvovirus is not actually the virus which will be killing them. It is because the pet refuses to eat food, and whatever the pet eats they are going to vomit it. And the third one is because of the dehydration. Your pet completely loses its energy and gets dehydrated. This is the reason where the dogs would die. So how can you support your dog in this particular situation? Your dog refuses to eat. Even though you try to give them any food, they would not eat it. First and the most important thing, take them to veterinary hospital immediately. But just in case you're not able to take them to veterinary hospital immediately, I will be giving you few tips wherein you can give some support to your dog to make them feel better. So first and the foremost important thing that you need to make sure is bring some coconut water and feed your dog about 5 to 10 ml depending on the weight of the dog. So for every 1 to 1.5 hour, feed your dog with the coconut water. So normally dogs do not die out of parvovirus, they die because of dehydration, which is caused because of the diarrhea. So obviously your dog is not going to eat it, drink it, so you have to force feed your dog through syringe. Just suck in about 5 to 10 ml of coconut water and force feed them through it. By the way guys, this tip is not the actual treatment. This will just help your dog to survive until you reach to the veterinary doctor for the proper parvovirus treatment. Tip number 2 that will help you like anything. So trust me, this is one of the easiest way to control the mess around your house. So I would suggest you to get these baby panties, huggies, diapers, or whatever you call them, and make your dog wear that. Behind you have to just make the hole and make sure that your dog's tail is coming out of it. And this is how I was treating my dog when she got affected with parvo. So this way it will help you to keep your premises neat and clean. So tip number 3 would be, I would suggest you to get these baby wipes. Any kind of wet wipes would do the job because your dog will be stinking and there will be flies all around. So just make sure that your dog is neat and clean, which will be appealing to you, and also it's a good way to keep your dog's hygiene. One more important tip to be taken care of is to disinfect the place. This step is very important, especially if you have another puppy or any more dogs in your house. Make sure that you disinfect your house. So this is the disinfect solution that I got from my pet store. If you can see this, and this. If you do not get this particular solution in any of the pet store, you can also disinfect with the bleach guys. Bleach is one of the very good way to disinfect the house and make sure that it's virus free. Also make sure that you're disinfecting your house and the entire premises where your dog is getting treated. Since this virus is highly contagious, there are chances that your other pets may also get it, but this has really helped me, guys, to make sure that my other puppies are not getting other dogs are not getting affected with this virus. The most important thing is to disinfect your house, disinfect the place where the dog was treated. This is the most and the main important thing to make sure that your dog is not getting this virus again, or any other dogs and the puppies are not getting affected with this virus. By the way, this virus does not affect the human beings. It is this step is to make sure that you're taking care of your pet in a proper way. And the last and the most important thing is to disinfect everything, like discard everything that you have used for your puppy. It might be the bowl that you used for your puppy, it might be the pads or the pampers which you have used for the puppy, and anything related to the puppy that which has helped for your treatment. Make sure that you are discarding everything, burn them up, and make sure that they are not being thrown just on the roads or in the garbage bag, so that the other puppies will not get affected. So that's it for today, guys. I was actually editing the video, then I realized that I missed on this point, so I am recording it again. So hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching, and do share it with the one who really needs it. I'm doing this video especially for all the pet owners and for all the pets to be healthy and fine, so that there won't be more of infections. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. You have a wonderful day, week and month ahead. Bye bye.